Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the second part of the lesson, the necklace. Means yesterday we have seen that necklace means they search that when that necklace was lost, they search that necklace everywhere. Means they search on the road, they search, they also give the police complaint. This means they offer the price, they give the ad of this lost of necklace in the newspaper. They also means went to the cab companies everywhere because there was a tiniest glimmer in their mind to find means they will get the necklace again. Okay, now what happened next? She waited all the day in despair at this frightful disaster. And she waited all the day means she waited all day that day in despair. Despair means to give up. To give up at this frightful disaster. Means she the whatever in her mind she was very frightful means disaster. Now what happened next? She was in very anxious. Okay. Lossell returned in the evening, a hollow, pale figure. And Lossell, he returned in the evening at home. That time he was hollow. Hollow means empty-minded, with a pale figure. Pale means unhappiness figure. Means he looking very unhappy. He had found nothing because he had found nothing means he could not find the necklace. You must write to your friend, he said. Tell her you have broken the clasp of her necklace and that you are having it mended. It will give us time to look some more. And her husband said to Mathilde, tell to her your friend, means tell to Madame Forrester that necklace of the clasp. Clasp means it was broken. It was broken. And means you are giving that for the mended. ओके फॉर मेंडिंग मतलब दुरुस्त करने के लिए दिया है. ऐसे फ्रेंड को जाकर बोलो. ऐसे उसके हस्बैंड ने मैथिल्डे को बोला. इट विल गिव अस टाइम टू लुक समवेयर एंड इट फॉर दैट मेंडिंग देर विल नीड अ टाइम. She wrote as he dictated, and she wrote on the paper what her husband said to her. At the end of 1 week, they had lost all hope. And like this way, 1 week finished, and they now lost all the hope to find means they will get the necklace. And Lossell, who suddenly looked aged, declared, we must consider how to replace the jewel. And now Mr. Lossell, Miss Mathilde and her husband, they now looking aged because of worried. Okay, because they don't have money. How they were I mean, they are thinking that how they could giving again that necklace to Madame Forrester because that necklace was very expensive. We must consider how to replace the jewel. Means they are now worried how they could replace the necklace. And so they went from jeweler to jeweler looking for a necklace like the other one, consulting their memories, both sick with grief and anguish. And now they went from jeweler to means one jeweler to another jeweler to another. Like this way they went and looking for the same necklace because they want to give that necklace to Madame Forrester again. And that's why they now thought that they will brought the new necklace and they give to again Mrs. Forrester. And so that's why they went from jeweler to jeweler and looking for a same necklace. Consulting their memories means they now remember that how that necklace was looking and tell to the jeweler. Both sick with grief. They were now looking very sick with grief, means very sorrow. They were now very sad and anguish. Anguish means distress. Now they are very distressed. They were now very bothered about necklace. In a shop at the Palace Royal, they found a string of diamonds which seemed to be exactly what they were looking for. And at the shop of Palace Royal, it is the name of shop, jewelry shop. They found a string of diamond, and they found their same string of diamond, which seemed to be exactly what they were looking for. It was worth 40,000 francs. They could have it for 36,000. And when they asked about that necklace, diamond string, that time that price of that necklace, means that diamond string, was 40,000 francs. They could have it for 36,000, and they could have only 36,000. Okay, and that price of that necklace was 40,000 franc. Okay, next part we will learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you.